In today's edition of What Kind of Drama is on the Porch, I have my November and my December Klever Beauty Box. If you have watched any of my past Klever Beauty Box videos, you will know that I am not very happy with this subscription service. I have already canceled. I have attempted to get a refund. It has not gone well. And I do not want to be negative, but I will say beware. I do not recommend this subscription box at all. But I paid for the dang things, and we're going to open them up. Hey, howdy, hey y'all, Leanna here. I just got my December box today. I'm going to put that one over to the side. I've had my November box for a couple of weeks. I just have not had time to get around to doing an unboxing. It says surprise, and yes, I was very surprised about how disgruntled I was going to be over this box. I don't think I mentioned this in my last unboxing of this box, that I reached out to PayPal. I reached out to Klever Beauty and asked for a refund. I've already canceled. I asked them for a refund. They denied. I reached out to PayPal. I sent them screenshots from Klever Beauty's website that said every box had a value of $105. I am on their website right now. They have removed that from their website. It's no longer there. I also sent PayPal screenshots of the products that were in the box, what the prices were on the websites where I found these, proving that the value of $105 was not there. The value of one of those boxes, I remember, was like $40-some. I have not added up what the value is of this November box. I'm not going to add up the value of the December box either, because at this point, I don't care. I don't care. I want my damn money back. I may go to Discover, the credit card I used to pay for it, and attempt to go that way to see if I get any type of resolution. But let me show you the products that are in the November box. And just to be clear, I am not unhappy with the products. There have been a couple of products that have been sketchy, but most of this, if I am correct, is Korean Beauty. And Korean Beauty, there's nothing wrong with Korean Beauty, but Korean Beauty is not expensive. And for them to say that the value, that's my issue, is they said that the value was $105, and that's not true. The first product is Here I Am Volumizing Curling Lash Mascara. It has an expiration date of March 2026. This brand says that it is cruelty-free, and it says it has a 12-month shelf life on it. I'm assuming that that's once it's opened. I am not going to open it because I am going to sell this in my Macari store, see if I can't recoup some of my disgruntled money. I also have a little palette. This is Beauty Dream Candy House. It is a 6-color eyeshadow palette, Candy Girl makeup palette. The back of the box says eyeshadow and blush. This is the components, actually fairly decent. It's plastic, but it is a very sturdy plastic. And that is actually a very pretty color story. Not bad. Cute. With the little embossing on it. This is Derol. I think that's how you pronounce it. It is a glow blush. The Clear Color of Dew, multi-stick for lips and cheek, buttery texture that instantly melts upon contact. And it is in the shade Too Juicy. And again, I am not going to open that. Next we have Quint Daily Dew Stick. This is from Poudiere, I think is how you pronounce that, and they are a nice brand. That smells pretty good. It has an expiration date of October 29th of 2026. Cosmetics production license says Guangdong makeup. This says that it's cruelty free as well, but it does not tell me what the product is other than it's a daily dew stick. So I don't know if that's for your lips, for your cheeks. I'm not sure. But the production company sounds interesting. This is that same brand, the Derol. This is a French Kiss Shine Lip Gloss, and it is in the shade 01 Jealous. And I'm wondering, is it that blue shade? But again, I'm not going to open that. Then we have the Poudiere Matte Finish Mist and Fix Longwear Matte Finish, absorbing surface shine, minimizing the appearance of pores. But I don't know what it is. Is it a face primer? This is from that same production company. Expires 11/1/06, and it has a 1 on it, so I'm guessing that's the shade. I don't know. That's the other problem. Is it some of these products don't tell you what they're for. And then we have 5 herb deep cleansing nose strips. And that's to clean your pores. And these I may keep. I may give these to my son Christopher, because he has asked me about some pore cleaning things for his nose. And then it came with a little brush that has no information on it whatsoever. They don't put any card or anything in the box to give you any information about any of the products. Moving on to December. This is what the box looks like when you first open it. Because I have not opened this box, I just got it today. It does come bundled up very nice. It takes a long time for you to actually get the box for the month. Like today is the 3rd when I'm recording this of January, and I'm getting the December box because they are shipped to the United States from China, I believe. And if you're interested in any of these products, I might just put these 2 boxes together in a bundle for one price in my Mercari store. This one has a brush in it as well. It's a different brush from the other one. We have silicone makeup helper. I don't know what that's supposed to do. Eyeline lip peak Nose Shadow Mascara Baffle. What? I mean, that's what it says. Right here. I don't know, this right here looks like some Silence of the Lambs stuff. Oh, lordy Lou. So I don't know. No clue. We have some type of palette. This is, it says Chill. Vivid Eyes JoJo Starlight Box Eye Palette. Snow Castle. It's made in the People's Republic of China. Well, that's pretty packaging. That's what the palette looks like. It is very textured. You can see how textured it is. Very nice packaging. JoJo did a good job on the packaging. And there's what the palette looks like, and you can see that shade right there. Looks like somebody stuck their finger in it or damaged it in some way. Not a bad little palette. And then we have iMagic Pro Professional Cosmetics Long Lasting 24-Hour Liquid Eyeliner Pen. It is waterproof. I'm assuming it is in the shade black. It expires in 2026. Very nice looking pen. Has a nice tip on it. Then we have a matte velvet lipstick pen crayon, and I don't know what that stands for. It does not give me a shade. This as well expires in 2026. There's no shade. Creamy Pencil in One crayon lipstick with an outstanding soft mist effect can accurately outline the lip line. It is as soft as velvet, full of color and matte, but not dry. It can evenly halo the lip color, presenting the texture of velvet mist lip makeup. What? Can somebody translate that for me? Then we have Vibrant Glamour Vitamin C Cream Brightening Skin. This expires as well in 2026. Bright Face Cream Whitening and Remove Dark Spots. Then we have Mini Star. A lot of these products were in some of their other boxes. The brand names, I'm assuming that's a brand name. Mini Star Beauty Skincare. Hydrating Face Primer. Pore Minimizer up to 24 hours. And then the last product is Peach Blush Digital Gao Quigin Love Blush for Cover. Fashion Color Makeup. Beauty Has Me. Charm is My Heart. O2 Peach Blush. Oh, well, that's pretty. Look at the little roses. HD Peach Blush. That's really pretty. And then it lifts. Really, it'll lift. It'll lift, and then you have a mirror and a little brush. That's cute. Very pretty little blush. Very nicely packaged. It has that little insert in the box. So there we go. Those are my very clever beauty boxes for November and December. And I think I will seriously put the entire 2 boxes together in my Mercari shop. So you can go look for that and get a steal on some Korean beauty and try out 2 of the Klever Beauty Boxes without even getting sucked into their subscription. Do not recommend, y'all. Not because of the products, because of the shady. Don't be shady. We don't do shady business. No shady business. That makes me angry. Don't be doing shady business with my people. Because y'all are my people. Okay. Before you go check out my Mercari shop, the link is down in the description. That's not there yet. Make sure you show that like button some love, and as always, I'd like to remind you that makeup is meant to enhance the natural beauty that you already are, and we are all beautiful at any age and any size. Find something to be grateful for today, pull your makeup out and play with it, and I will see you in my next video. Okay, love you, bye. Christopher, here's your makeup tip from your mama. Blush is like a happiness indicator for your face, so use it generously. Mama loves you, boo.